Thank you for choosing WinLister. Open the application URL and enter the user credentials to login. After we login, we will land on the product page, which will show details of all existing SKUs. As we can see, there are navigational tabs on the left panel to switch to other screens. Since all the functionality is governed by access rights, users will only see modules or menu options for which they are assigned permissions. To upload catalog information into the tool, we use this screen. In import type, there are multiple options from product to image import on CMS. For product import, select the applicable import type and choose the category for which products are to be uploaded. Example, tops. This is a blank template for tops category, which needs to be filled to upload the SKUs on CMS. Fill in the product information in respective columns along with image links. Products will upload through Upload File option. Just select the file which you have filled. Check the final status upon processing. If there are rejections, list of SKUs rejected along with reason for rejection will be shown. In import type, channel price option will let you set different prices for different marketplaces. We can download the template from this option. For example, if you want to change the prices on Flipkart, Paytm and Amazon, then select the channels from the options screen and click on download. This is the template for channel level pricing with option to set multiple sales prices, date and quantity SOH for different marketplaces. All the marketplaces selected at the time of download will be available here. Filled channel price sheet will look like this. Use the upload file option to import the new prices at channel level. Make sure SKUs in product tab are actually assigned to those marketplaces. Check the status of upload channel sheet. In import type, we can use the product image import option, which can directly fetch the images from Dropbox using access token. The images on Dropbox should be named in a prescribed format, which can be explained by our implementation team. It is an alternative to importing the images on CMS other than product import sheet. On product page, we can review the imported SKUs, their images, prices, and attributes. Also, we can assign and unassign the SKUs to multiple channels. In Export tab, we can download the output for multiple marketplaces by selecting the channel, category, and subcategory. Excel sheet in channel-specific template, pre-filled with data, is generated for the selected marketplace. Now, user just needs to upload this file directly on the channel for product creation or updation. For marketplaces or channels which support uploading of catalog via API, the catalog can be auto-pushed from within CMS. If marketplace supports auto listing and channel credentials are configured in the system, then SKU information will sync to channel upon create or update. This is only applicable for approved items, which are ready for publishing. Select the SKU code and the channel to publish and click on Process as shown. To check the status of pushed SKU, there is a transmit enquiry for failed, pending, and success records.